In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this problem that whenever you're trying to access, let's say, any website or open some page, it says not enough memory to open this page. Try closing other tabs or programs to free up memory. Error code out of memory. So here is how you can solve this in Microsoft Edge. So first of all, I recommend you to close all the tabs one by one because it saves the memory. So whenever even you close the browser altogether, as soon as you reopen the browser, it will open up all the tabs as well. So I recommend you to close the tabs one by one to free up the memory space. And the ideal solution in most of the cases is restarting the browser and restarting the PC as well. So this refreshes everything and that should work fine or perfect for you. And something else what you can do is to free up the memory. Right here, system configuration, in the start menu, hit enter, click on the startup and open the task manager. And in the startup, if you do not want some applications to execute automatically, you just disable all of them to free up the memory space and it will load everything faster, not just that application. So you will find a lot of applications that uses your memory and you basically don't need it. So you just disable that all. And also you can search for the status. You can sort it by status. Whatever is enabled, you might need to disable only that. So let's say I'm not using Discord, but it loads every time whenever I load Windows. So that should not be the case. So we disable that safely. And don't worry, whenever you want to enable that, you will follow the same process. You just select that, right click and enable that. And something else what you can do is just open up the browser, which is Microsoft Edge in this case. What we will do is just click on the three dots and head over to the extensions and click on manage extensions. You need to disable all the extensions that you might not be using, or even you can remove some if that is totally not in use by you. So let's say Grammarly, I don't need it. So I can simply remove it like this and it frees up a lot of space or a lot of temporary memory, and that should solve the problem for the out of memory issue in Microsoft Edge. And after that, we again recommend you to restart the browser or even restart the computer to make that effective. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.